ICT Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to use Google Sites. So, like an online software that can be used to create like professional, really good websites, and it can be used for projects and etc. So, let's get started today. So, the first thing before we do anything else, the first thing is to rename the website. So, you can think about what your website is going to be based on before you start. So I'm just going to call it my name and then my site. Then once you've renamed your website, you're going to start to like you will need a logo. If you look at some shop websites, look at some company websites, they always have logos on them. So you need a logo to that can represent your site. So it'll give you two options. It will give you upload or select. So we'll click upload. We'll click select, sorry. Okay, here, Mario. So you can choose what your logo is going to be. It can be something that you like. It can be like a game logo or anything. So I'm gonna choose Mario, Super Mario. Um just gonna choose what one simple one, right? And then you can also use logo color for your theme as well. Okay, so we've finished the logo and all the themes. Now we need to get started on the actual making of the website. Once we've renamed it on here as well, then we get started. Oops, that's a mistake. Okay, that's us finished renaming the thing and giving it a logo that can represent it. Now we need to start on the actual making. Because if you look at it, it's just blank and it has nothing. So to start your website, the first thing you'll need a text box to introduce it. No matter what you're doing, no matter the topic your website is doing, it will always need an introduction text. So here we have a text box and give it to an appropriate size. Can be 24. Okay. So you can just do a little introduction for your website first. Now, if your font appears to be really big, too big, and you like to reduce it a little bit, just highlight it and go to the font size, and you can reduce your font a little bit. If it's too small, highlight it again, and then increase your font. Okay, then you just start making your introduction text. Okay, so just a simple introduction text for that. Okay, now if you've finished your homepage and you want to add something else, you go to any of these three options, you click pages, and then add an add icon here. You can rename, so it can just be, you can give the page a name. Wait a minute. So give your page a name, and then when you've finished, you click done, and then it will give you your page. Okay, now you can do lots of things here. You can do anything, basically anything you want here. You can about me and can make a larger banner cover or small one a little bit. Okay, So you've had your page now. If you want to add some pictures here, these are called content blocks. Content blocks. Content blocks. So gives you some different types of content blocks here. Choose one that's simple before you jump to the next one. Okay, so here I have a content block. Um, so add. So if you want to add the picture, it will give you like six options. The three most you can use. If you are a beginner on using Google Sites, please do select image to make it simple for you. Okay, so now this is where you choose what you want to add onto this picture. So it can be your like favorite game or something, or it can be your favorite hobby. You like sports. It can be football. It can be basketball. You like games. It can be Minecraft. It can be Roblox. But it can be Fortnite even. But I'm gonna choose Asphalt Legends Unite. So good game. Okay. When you finish selecting your image, you click insert and it'll give you your image. Now, if you want to increase your image, there are these little dots. This dot here can increase your image. Then it will move your text here so I can increase your image. If you don't like the picture you've selected, you can click these three dots and it says replace image. It gives you two options, upload or select. So, like I said, if you're a beginner on using Google Sites, I recommend you choose select to make it more easier. So then you can type the image you want to if you want to replace it. Okay, so here the text you just write the name like some like a text that's re- relevant to what the picture you just put there. Okay, so and then here you add a little texture, like this is a little caption about your image. So I'll give you like like a minute to try that yourself. It doesn't need to be that long. It can just be like one sentence and then you're done. Okay, you finished. Here you can just add a little color to make your little border color catchy because white is kind of a little boring, you would agree with me. Okay? So like an appropriate color to match with this. Right, okay, so you can just add now. When you finish, you can just add multiple ones now. Um these type of content blocks are like mostly used for like videos. So if you want to add videos here, but you can also use it for pictures. So if you want to add anything else. Okay, and it gives you here. Just take one easy photo. Right. Then you just type the name of the picture you put and then that's it done. You can also add for the other one as well. Okay, so you can add multiple more pages now. You can do basically anything you want. For the themes, if you want to add like a custom theme, you can upload right here at the corner, import theme. And also you can also create your own theme here as well. Okay, so that's basically it. Now, there's one thing that you can do on Google Sites, one specific thing, and it's called adding buttons. Okay, so adding buttons is like they perform like a very good trick. They can instead of you, if you want to go to home, you click home. If you want to go about me, you want to click about me. These buttons can transfer you from page to page. So you can type the name. So if you want to go back to home, so we're going back to home and link it to the page home. Click there as well. Now you can preview this website as well. Um, like that. So we can link you to the home page as well. Okay, cross and then done. Okay, then if you want to someone to help you, want to collaborate with someone, you can click the person with the plus there, and it'll just give you someone you want to share it with, and then when you finish, you click done. Okay, now the most final thing you need to do is publish the website. Now, if you want, it will give you the web address code here, like that, and you can just publish the website. Once you've published it, you can click view, but if you don't want to do this, you can just cross it there. So that's it for today, but if you really like this video, please like this video below and click the little ring, like the little bell below, to watch out for my um daily videos, and you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel at Victories ICT Hub. Okay, and if you learned something new, I would like to hear your comments below. Thank you. Bye.